I made $1,937 trading an account that was funded by somebody else's capital, not my own. And I didn't need $100,000 sitting in the bank. Instead, I paid about $700 to get access to an instant funded account. And as you can see right here, I just made my first payout. And today, that payout is paying for this. This is a high quality OEM Plus rear wing for a GC8 Subaru Impreza. In this video, I'm gonna teach you exactly how instant funded accounts work, why I'm using them to fund my project cars, and why you don't necessarily need to have a huge trading account or have $100,000 of your own capital in order to create an extra stream of income. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the car. If you followed this channel for a while, you know I have a serious problem. I love modifying cars. All of them except for one is a project car. Right now I have 3 major builds going on. And if you guys know anything about modifying cars, you know that the part costs add up really, really quickly. Like every new part for this thing is just another expense, which I'll probably never recoup. But then I had an idea. Instead of using my normal income or dipping into my savings to fund all of these project cars, why don't I create a new account, make money on that account, and use the income earned from that account to modify these cars? I don't need to get rich overnight, and I don't need to replace my current income. I just need a little bit extra so I can justify spending time and hours on these things. So the biggest obstacle that most traders have isn't a lack of skill, it's a lack of capital. Even if you're consistently profitable trading, most people don't have $100,000 laying around. And even if they did, risking that amount of money is extremely stressful. So instead of needing a 6-figure trading account, you can actually unlock access to trade somebody else's capital. They provide you with the capital, and then you have a profit split. Me personally, I get 90% of it. So when you trade and generate profits, you keep a percentage of that profit. Both parties are happy because both parties made money. It's a completely different way to think about trading. So what I decided to do, because I hate the challenge accounts, was I decided to deploy my resources, buy Funder Pro's instant funded account, and it gets you instant access to live trading capital. You just have to adhere to their rules, which are extremely simple. From there, it's just simply trade consistently and small. Don't over risk, don't over leverage, don't try to get rich overnight. No gambling, no revenge trading, none of the bad habits. Just following the trading plan, managing your risk, and then getting a payout. And using the payout for things that make you happy. Whether that's vacations with your family, spending money on your hobbies, or modifying cars, or just having a larger safety net that grows over time. Some people don't like spending money. Some people just want to have it sit on the side so that they feel more comfortable. So what did my dumbass spend his first payout on? This WRX STI style rear wing for a GC8. Basically the old Subaru Imprezas. And if you guys know anything about cars, you know that this rear wing will change the entire look of the car instantly. The coolest part about this wing isn't that it's gonna make the car look sick, it's that I got this basically for free, using somebody else's money and a little bit of my skill. And if I could finish the whole car using this method, I'm gonna be stoked. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm telling you that that is probably not the right idea for everybody. Some people will want to pay down their mortgage quicker. Some people will want to save that money for their child's college education. Some people just want to take one extra vacation with their family a year, or even one at all, because most people don't take vacations. Let's just say in a year you made an extra 6 grand. Think about what you could use that money on, or how it would benefit your life. Whatever your goal is, an instant funded account can help you reach that goal. Here's the takeaway. I think the one thing that people misconstrue about day trading is that it's their opportunity to quit their job and live this lavish lifestyle or get rich in the next month and just, retire. That's not it. Trading's never been that. Trading is hard, but if you do it consistently, you can just add another stream of income. Another stream of income will help anybody on earth. More money is better. Always has, always will be. This rear wing is proof that more money is better and that it's possible. So if you've ever wondered if funded trading is for you, you can try it. Anything's worth a shot. And to find out what kind of trader you are, all you have to do is go to tmafx.com. On there is a 30-second quiz that will point you in the right direction, whether you want to trade somebody else's capital or your own capital, whether you need to learn about day trading or whether you already know it. It's streamlined and it's going to give you a perfect response for what kind of trader you want to be. Now, let's get this thing on the car and see how it looks. So this is what the car looks like right now. As you can see, I already have the WRX STI front bumper, but you can see the wing is missing and it looks like poo-poo. Dude, it looks so sick. Look at that thing. God. Oh, that's so nasty. Best purchase I've ever made.